Hello, my friends. Nice to see you again. Isa Khan is my name. I'm glad to communicate to you today. I thank God that at least today I'm living as you see me. I'm very happy and happy to see you today. Thank you for coming to this session today. I'm sure you're going to learn a lot. Just to follow, understand, ask where you don't understand. I know things do confuse sometimes when for the first time, but as long as you follow, easy to understand the steps. What confuses you? Just give attention, call me, ring me up, I will say hello to you. Within the same scenario, just get back to me. We are learning VBA from scratch to the end of it. If you have your child who is willing to learn, and you see that really you want your child to get into the world of automation, start with VBA. In the world of developments, to become a developer, it takes a lot. It might take you years to know what exactly you want. But as long as you have career guidance, you will end up forging the correct route. I'm here to narrate you a simple story. I've taken now so far 5 years looking at how to figure out to get my niche. And now this is my time also to share my simple experiences with you. And I know you are going to enjoy. Please, why don't you subscribe? Do you lose something? Yeah, but I feel you cannot lose something. Just subscribe to my channel. You're going to learn a lot. I'm taking you through two niches. Niche number one, VBA, Visual Basic for Application. It's a programming language. Though some people say it is outdated, but nevertheless, things cannot get outdated. Those years when I remember back years, people used to say big panties are only for those people who are aged. But these days I see them, they are coming back. We used to call them bell. Those bell clothes are getting back now. You could look at someone putting on a very fatty t-shirt. Now those are things coming back. Office will never phase out. The time is now. Turn your office into an automated thing. You want a PDF? We can have a PDF in an Excel for you just to see an output of an Excel. Giving an example, let's look onto this screen. When you look onto this screen, you will see something of this kind. You will see something of that kind. You open and you will see sheets of this kind. You will see this one. You look at the screen, you open like that. When you see screen, you will see cells. A1, A2, these are columns and the cells. Columns and rows. Now, how do we use the rows and how do we use the columns? But that is only what you see on top. But behind it, there is something that is hidden. Automation, the power of automation is hidden behind the scenes. If you are not a developer, it takes you time to understand. The word is developer. If you are not a developer, it becomes hard for you to understand where it is. Just look on this title bar. There is a word called developer, meaning that developer, that is where the power of automations is. If you are not a developer, it takes you time to understand that Excel is for also developers. There is nothing on market that is developed in business that cannot be developed in Excel. Only that some people look at Excel as a minor thing. But in Excel, we can develop an application or a software package that is complete to your business plans. Very simple, cheap. When you click on developer, it will show you the powers. Let me show you a little bit. It will show you the powers of VBA and automation. Where is it located? Just click on developer. Now that's where the power is. When you click on it, you will see a bit this screen here. We have Visual Basic, we have macros, we have record macros, we have use relatives, add-ins, Excel, code add-ins, insert, view, dialog, properties, expansion, and all the rest. What does it mean? This screen that you are seeing on top, that is where the power of macros belongs. Fall in, you're going to see. When you open this workbook, the way it is, that will be a normal Excel workbook. But if you want automation, we must hide behind the codes such that whatever you want to do, you just keep on tapping screens, tapping buttons, tapping cells, and everything will be flowing. If you want a PDF produced from these sheets, from the workbook, automatically we just set it and it will do for you exactly what you want. What can I talk about VBA? VBA is all and perfect for all your business needs. Trust me, we are going to learn with you and you're going to understand whatever that we do exactly. Nothing much I can say. Let me give you another example. If you look at this as a normal book, I will show you that there is another thing that you can understand exactly, that is very good and best for you to understand. Look at this also. I have this workbook also. Let me open and you observe also. See. You see, this is also another workbook. When you look at it, you see, this is the power of now Excel. So when you look at this one, what comes to your mind? For the first time, I've shown you this one. This is the normal. It's just a matter of opening, you do what you want, you save. When you look at this, I've closed it. When I close, it goes. Now within the same site, I will open again. I will open another thing. You see? I will open. That is a new one. It is very new. Nothing is there. You can see. It is a new normal workbook. Now, since that we want to look at the powers of VBA, that is when you will come up to this. It will give you this one. Now, this is my interface. So when you look at this interface, it has some instructions. Now, this is a complete application. I will take you through slowly by slowly how to come up with this. Shortly, when you look at the title, it will tell you always be attentive to your work for excellence, meaning that to achieve excellence, you must be attentive. If you're not attentive, please find the way of becoming attentive. That's all. Then you must be able to read the instructions. When you look at here, these instructions, please remember to log in with correct credentials to be allowed to access this information. Once the installation is lost, no more access to the information. Take note and care. This is just a warning information. Don't forget the niche where we started from. I said my niche is security to automation, meaning I'm dealing with cybersecurity in line with development of applications, meaning all applications that I keep on developing, I must be able to protect them. This application, when you launch it, it has two buttons, and these buttons are the ones we are calling automation. To automate means to simplify work. Just click on the button. When I click here, exit. Exit means to leave. I'm done with what I wanted and I will leave. Like that. Then it will say, are you sure you want to exit? If you say yes, automatically you will exit. If you say no, it will not. Now, like I said, no. No, it means I have not accepted the leaving. What does it mean? Again, go to the same button. Click here. Are you sure you want to exit? Then I say yes. The moment you say yes, the application has to save the information and it will go off. Now from there, just look at this again. Understand? It's closed, it's opening now. Why is it opening like that? Because I have set it automatically to start like that. Is it? Now, the other one was exit and no. Now this one we have login. If I say login, it will reproduce that. In case you feel something wrong, let me give you an example. We have this. When you fill in information that is wrong, what happens exactly? Just to see the power of VBA. You see? Look at the warning. The information you entered is incorrect. What does it mean? It was limited that if you are not having authority of logging into the system, no one can access it. I beg you to follow me up. You're going to learn more and you will enjoy. Now, after that, you say no. Save, cancel. Meaning, I'm not yet there. But now, the moment I try to say now I'm putting in the information that is now correct, you see what happens. Just to see what I'm doing now. Okay, then you see about this. You also see what follows here again. You need to look at that information. You understand that it will give you the information that login successful. So once it says login successful, meaning that it will tell you exactly what it does. The moment you click on OK, it will give you what comes next, like that. Now that's the information. Now, as this information, it looks like the previous screen, but it is not the previous screen. This one says always be attentive, the same information I used. But when you look down here, it says innovating today, securing tomorrow. As we develop the system today, still tomorrow we are going to protect. As we protect, we will look for solutions of protecting tomorrow's systems. The same happens. So from here, what you do, we have two buttons here. Hide screen, hide tools, and then show tools. I will not go into that. That one is mine for the time being. But I'm interested in this button. When you look at this button will force me, or it will lead me to a certain point. Let me very fast, you go that. It will take me here. This is an application which is only developed for sample information. It's just for sampling information, just like that. You can do that. Short right by this, then you can do this, short them. It depends on what you want exactly. Then, if you want to add some information, it is a matter of just doing this. You see, it was set to that. When you want to add information, just click on Add Mail. It is Add Mail. Now, I've deleted some information there. What you do, you search that. You search the mail ID. After searching the mail ID, search. It comes. Now, if you want to add another one, you just say then company, fleet, then email, this, then you do what? You click on update. Why? I have deleted what was there. It comes back. Now, still, if you want now to add, you keep on adding again. You search for two. You search for the link. After that, what you can do is again to search the information. You put there what you want exactly. Company. Wow, we talk about this. Dev tech. Dev tech. The name is VBA. You see? So that is information. Still, you click on update. This one I'm using the button update. Reason being, I'm just searching for what is there. I'm updating the information that is there. If I don't want to update, let me start with that. That is updated. For the first time, remember, I deleted this information which was here. And now I was doing what? I was updating. Now, if I don't want to update, I just want to add any information. You just click on add. It gives you already the new mail ID. 1, 2 is the field. Now 3, you put here. Poster is the name. Company, Coca-Cola. Then we go to email. Let me say Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola at gmail.com. Company Coca-Cola. Now, after that information, you click on what? Add. Automatically, when you click on add, it will be closed. I think that one is a clear demo for all what we can do. What I request you is to follow me up. These tutorials are going to follow one another from step by step. Once you follow me, contact me, rise me up. We're going to move together. This is an introduction for serious business. We have been introducing, moving up and down, telling you what we're going to do exactly, but now this is a serious business. Follow me up. We are going to build better than ever. Thank you for listening to me. I know you have enjoyed. Since you've seen exactly what we do, this is Devrat Technologies Uganda. I'm the CEO. Issa Viryokan is my name. Follow my channel. Once you follow me up, you're going to understand it all. And you will not fail to understand it all. Because power is got from the people who are near you. VBA, cybersecurity. Thank you for listening. We meet again. I salute you, my friends. We meet again. Follow, subscribe, inquire, comment. See you again.